What's up guys? I found a nice piece of bait for fishing. What the heck? That so cute. Oh my goodness. How long is this bitin? Where is your mother? Where is your father? Love it. So I think this bitin or this kind of snake is somewhat just got hatched. Amazing. Sada ni himuon og bait para sa mga bass. So the mother is just around here maybe. So yung direction going up there, this could be somewhere here or the hatchery.